Come closer now and let me show you how you can upgrade your Palmpay account the right way. And while we are going to get started right now, ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification so that you will not miss any of my videos again. So without further ado, let's get started. Ensure that you have the Palmpay account already on your smartphone. Ensure that you have created an account with them. Then the app is already on your smartphone. What you need to do is tap on your profile picture here, located at the top left corner. So this is the page. So once you get here, scroll down, then locate KYC levels, as you can see here. So you can see tier 1. Immediately you register the Palmpay account, you will be automatically assigned to tier 1. Then you can decide to later upgrade it, and you know the importance of upgrading your account. You can see tier 1 current daily transaction is 50,000 naira, and maximum balance I can have on my OP account is 300,000 naira. That is if I have not upgraded the account. And when registering your account, you can use either your BVN or your NIN, but I only provided NIN. BVN was not provided. So how do we now upgrade our account so that we can increase the amount of daily transaction we can make and then maximum balance? What we need to do is to tap on verify BVN. That is, if it is NIN, you use to register. But if it is BVN, you need to provide your NIN. So I'm going to walk you through the process of upgrading the account right now. I have to tap on verify BVN. So I'm going to be providing my BVN here. Although I am not, please know that I'm not ready to upgrade this account. So I'll just walk you through the process. If you don't know your BVN, you can see what is written here. Dial *384*1# to get your BVN. That is if you don't know your BVN. So I'm going to be entering my BVN here. So once you provide your BVN here, you're going to tap on next. Tap on next and follow the process. It is just a few seconds away. Just tap on next and within few seconds you will be done, and your account will automatically be assigned to tier 2. Please note that I already have another Palmpay account, which is even upgraded to tier 3. But this is the process of upgrading to tier 2. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comment section. Share this video, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.